I'm very upset.
Let's go
talk to Lola. Lola?
$20 offered so much.
Why are you looking through my chart?
Good luck deciding on one.
Why is it on commercial? Why are you looking through my
Do you have any
things?
mascara?
No.
Please.
No. No, you are not putting makeup on for a video. Fine. No. There isn't any. I don't own any mascara. I do not own mascara.
Oh, I see some on you.
I do not own mascara. This is my natural beauty. I don't own makeup. You see that? That's natural beauty. There's still a place for you. It's my mock-up. I mean, no! You are not getting pretty for a video.
Getting?
I meant you are not going to do those womanly things for a video. Smexy. Stop!
Let me pluck my nails.
I'll do everything later, just not right now. What is wrong with you?
Feel like sad like this at school, Lexi.
There's something wrong with you. I can see you.
Ow. Where's it?
Your tummy makes a funny noise. This one. This one. It's this one.
This is a new shirt.
Come on. Half my closet is like at Donica's, so. And then the other half is like in the laundry. And this is like, yeah.
Can I try this on?
Not right now. Come on. We'll do it all tomorrow.
These look good together. This shirte.
Look at my face. That was a very sexy face.
Would these look good together?
Yeah, I guess. Come on.
Whatever.
Come on.
Be a witch. I'm kidding.
You really? I will kick you out of my house. She's very upsetting me. She doesn't love me. Jeaner DeCinto texted me. You want to see it? This is my cellular.
Say something, Lexi.
What?
Mute it. Mute that.
Okay.